What is Cloud Stacking SEO? Hello SEO people, my name is Jesper Nissen, and in this video I will explain to you what Cloud Stacking SEO is and why it is relevant to use for your company's or business's website. Be sure to like and subscribe my video so you will be notified whenever I upload relevant SEO content for you. So let me explain to you and show to you what Cloud Stacking SEO is. The reason that we want to build backlinks to our money site or our website is that whenever we build a backlink like this and point it to our money site, our rankings on the money site or website will increase. And the stronger this backlink is, the more the higher rankings you will see on your website. So cloud stacking, that is a term that relates to the fact that we are building HTML or WordPress websites on cloud hosting services like Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. These are the three main examples that I'm using in my work, in my business. I can show you an example of a cloud page that I have built, and it's called How to Make a Twitter Moment, and you can see it here. And the reason that it's relevant to go through all the technical problems of uploading these HTML files to Amazon S3 Cloud, for example, is the very simple fact that if I click on my plugin here called Mangoose, I can inspect the numbers for this domain. I can show the data for the specific URL, and I can see that this specific URL has a domain authority of 93 and a page authority of 45. Now, even if these are just numbers from Moz or Majestic, this page authority of 45 still gives me an indication that this page, even if it's brand new, it doesn't start with 0 or 1. It starts out with a page authority of 45. So if you build one page or 5 pages or 10 pages or 15 pages, all of a sudden you can create your own PBN, private blogging network, or you can create your own sets of web pages that are extremely powerful. And you can kind of like jump over all the other efforts that you will normally have to do with building backlinks to your web pages. So this is the main reason that it is at all is even relevant and interesting to talk about when it comes to cloud stacking. So let me go back here. So what I've just shown you is a simple example of a cloud page, and so that's not a stack, because the element of stacking comes in when I do like this. I create backlink 2. Let me call this backlink 1. I create backlink 2, and I could point that to also the money site. Now I can create a backlink 3. I can also put this on the cloud and point that to my money site. So let's say I have access to Amazon S3, and I can put my backlink 1 on Amazon S3. I can put my backlink 2 on Microsoft Azure. I can put my backlink 3 on Google Cloud. So all of a sudden I have 3 backlinks from 3 different hosting providers, and they all have the same property, and that property is that they start out with a lot of page authority. Instead of 0, they start out with a lot of authority. So now the stacking part comes into play. If I do like this, I create backlink 4 and put it on, let's say, Microsoft Azure. And then I point that back to this guy. And I can create backlink 5 and place it on Google Cloud. And I can point it back to this guy. And I can create backlink 6 on Amazon S3. I can point it back to this guy. So all of the sudden, I've now created a tiered link building. So this is my money site, and this is my tier 1 links that are all 3 very powerful, and this is my tier 2 links that are also all very powerful. So Amazon S3, that's actually, when you sign up, it's actually free. I've had it for more than 2 years. I haven't paid anything yet, and also Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud is also cheap or free. So it's not like it's not like that you have to pay a lot in order to upload these pages to the cloud hosting services, because it's actually free. So yeah, so this is a very basic example, and it's a very basic explanation, but this is actually the essence of what cloud stacking SEO is. You have your website, you build these HTML web pages, and you can see that this is an actual website I have built, an actual one-pager web page. So it is an actual page, and you upload them to the cloud services, and then you point the links back to your web page, and in turn you will see, and I know this for 100% fact, you will see your money page rankings increase. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small explanation video, and I will see you in the next one.